Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Wix app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down, click here on manage down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, just keep going down, click here on analytics, you just click on it. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You will find here alerts, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next zip here, just switch into open video. Come here to daily set seasons here, just click in this sign or this color. So when you like you see here color, it's gone, that's mean here daily set seasons disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.